Well, if you drive in South Carolina, law enforcement likely knows where your car has been and when.
Right now, they have access to records with this data from your license plate, which they say is an important tool to stop and prevent crime.
But as State House reporter Mary Green explains, some say that tool needs guardrails around it.
A bill advancing in the Senate would impose regulations on the cameras located all across South Carolina known as automatic license plate readers, or ALPRs. In the middle of this discussion is the question around how to balance the rights of citizens with public safety. Every time a car drives by, these cameras automatically take a photo of the vehicle and its license plate and record data capturing when and where the plate was read. Law enforcement says it's a key tool that's been used in South Carolina to track down suspects, locate abducted children, and even solve murders.
Lives have been saved. There are great demands on law enforcement, probably now more than ever, and we've got to capitalize on the technology that's out there.
But others worry about how this information could be used with little regulation in place.
This technology has proven prone to abuse.
This bill would impose restrictions on who could use these readers and for what purpose, limiting it to law enforcement, the state departments of transportation and public safety, and for third parties to regulate parking and control access to secure areas.
There is no right to privacy to someone who is traveling along those highways while we take a picture of a government-owned and issued license tag.
It would also allow the readers to, quote, promote public safety and deter crime in coordination with law enforcement, language which groups including the ACLU believe is too vague and needs to be tailored down.
This bill could be amended in accordance with Fourth Amendment principles to balance the needs of our law enforcement with South Carolinians' constitutional protections from unreasonable searches and seizures.
Meanwhile, the South Carolina Department of Transportation has stopped installing these cameras in state-owned rights-of-way for more than a year now until it gets guidance from the legislature on whether they're allowed. Reporting from the State House, I'm Mary Green.
Now, there's also an ongoing lawsuit in state court challenging the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division's use of these cameras. It was initially filed more than 2 years ago and is still pending.